In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Jira board. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into Jira, choose where you'll work, tailor your board's columns to match your team's workflow, and adjust which fields you see on individual items so your board is clean and useful. First, open your browser and head to Atlassian.com. This is the home for Jira. Click Sign Up to create your account. Follow the prompts you see on screen. They'll guide you through getting access to Jira. Once you're in, you'll land in the workspace where your projects live. Next, click the project or space you want to work on. This is where your board will live. Your board represents the flow of work for that project, so choose the one that matches the team or initiative you're setting up. You can start setting up your board by editing the columns. Think of columns as the stages work passes through from not started to complete. Keeping them clear and meaningful is key. Common starting points include to do, in progress, and done, but you should match whatever your team already uses. You can drag the columns wherever you like to reflect the order your work should follow. Simply grab a column and move it left or right until the sequence looks right. A simple left to right flow makes the board easier to scan during stand-ups and planning. You can also rename the columns by clicking on the labels. This is helpful if your team uses specific language like backlog, ready, in review, or blocked. Enter the new name of the column, then click the check icon to save your changes. Saving as you go keeps everything consistent for teammates who are already looking at the board. Next, click an item on the board to open it. In Jira, items are issues such as tasks, stories, or bugs. A pop-up panel will appear with the details. You can fine-tune what you see here by clicking the gear icon at the top right corner of this pop-up tab. This opens configuration options for the item view. In the drop-down menu, click Manage Fields. Here you can rearrange and choose the fields you want to be visible for you. For example, you might prioritize assignee, priority, due date, or story points. Show only the fields you actually use to keep the view uncluttered. Rearranging fields is a great way to surface the most important information at the top. And hiding a field here doesn't delete any data. It simply streamlines your view. That's it. Your board now reflects your workflow and your item view highlights the details that matter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.